Welcome. In this video, we'll introduce you to one of the most important steps in academic research, the research proposal. What is a research proposal? A research proposal is a formal document that presents your research idea. It is commonly used in academic settings to seek approval or funding before starting a full research project. It includes your research topic, objectives, questions or hypotheses, methodology, and sometimes expected outcomes. Why is it important? Whether you're a student or a researcher, a well-written proposal serves three major purposes. First, it defines the scope of your study. Second, it convinces reviewers of the relevance and feasibility of your research. And third, it guides your work once you begin. Key components of a research proposal. Here are the typical sections you'll find in a standard research proposal. Title: a clear and concise representation of your topic. Introduction: gives background and introduces the topic. Statement of the problem: describes the issue your research will address. Objectives of the study: what you aim to achieve. Research questions or hypotheses: the queries you're trying to answer. Literature review: a brief summary of existing research. Methodology: your approach, design, data collection, and analysis methods. Significance of the study: why your research matters. References: credible sources that support your proposal. Tips for writing a strong proposal. Here are some quick tips to keep in mind. 1. Be clear and specific. 2. Stick to academic tone and structure. 3. Back your points with evidence or theory. 4. Follow the required format or guidelines provided by your institution. 5. And always proofread before submission. So, in summary, a research proposal is your first step in the research journey. It introduces your topic, explains why it's important, and outlines how you'll study it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.